Right, so here's a sneak peek into my soul and fitness yoga and wellness studio. Let's find out what's inside. Woohoo! Hi, husband. Alright, so Sida door se left pe is the beautiful painting of Lord Buddha, and there are plants. And here's my sweet little corner where I sit and practice meditation or sometimes just hang out and chill. And here's some yoga blocks. These are yoga props, yoga straps. And then there's this a younger chair for back bend practice and stuff, flexibility. So the use of these blocks are to increase your flexibility. Often when we're working out in the gym or maybe for long office hours, our flexibility is hindered. So using these blocks, we can practice Iyengar yoga or yoga in general to increase our flexibility. Once you get more flexible, the height can be reduced and ultimately you might be able to reach the ground very easily. Similarly, the usage of these straps are to increase flexibility. As you can see, his knee is still not straight, but yeah, now it's straightened. Now keep pulling towards yourself to increase the flexibility. Yeah. So as you keep practicing, you can pull closer to yourself. Look at this, a beautiful yoga wheel that helps you increase your back flexibility and release the tension in the upper back, lower back, your shoulders. Excellent. This chair is also called the Iyengar chair, and it has multiple benefits to increase your flexibility and strength. So this is used for advanced back bending and stuff, as you can see. And now let's see how the hall looks like. As you can see, it's quite spacious. There's a cupboard out here, and there are plants, water. There are large mirrors, 3 of them. 3 such mirrors we're having. And then my best corner is the aerial yoga corner. Beautiful plants gifted by a very dear friend of mine. Spacious windows, road outside, blue sky, and the aerial hammocks here. We've arranged for 2 very large fans, 2 small of them, 2 large windows and 2 wall fans. They are enough to make the room airy. We're not planning to make it an AC studio because yoga promotes fresh air circulation. This is a perfect area for meditation in front of Lord Buddha. A beautiful, serene place to come and meditate. You can book the private space just to yourself. Feel the vibrations of your inner self. My husband and I often meditate here in this corner. Currently, these are the class schedules. As you can see, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30 a.m.s in the morning. And in the afternoon, 5:15, 6:15, 7:15 and 8:15 in the evening. And what are the class details like? So we have bar yoga for fat loss, stretching for flexibility and strength, general fitness, pranayama, meditations, and these are the packages. Depending on weekly how many sessions you choose, it's starting from $499, then $799 and $999 depending on 3, 4 or 5 sessions per week. So right now till Durga Puja, I suppose, the first week is a free trial of 3 sessions. These are our social media handles, and these are the special classes: aerial yoga, couple yoga, which can be booked on weekends and prior appointments. In detail, we have advanced yoga, BIKRAM yoga or hot yoga as we call it, ACRO yoga or couple yoga, pranayama and meditation private booking, aerial yoga, prenatal, pregnancy or postnatal yoga, and there might be private yoga classes if you do not like in batch. So we don't have trial class for weekend classes. We need to book at least a day prior, and the charges for 45-minute sessions are rupees 250. If you liked our studio, do visit us. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to IndiYogi.